Easy English practice. Hey, it's been so long since we last hung out. How have you been?
I know, right? I've been good, just busy with work. How about you?
Same here. Work has been pretty hectic lately, but I'm managing. Are you still working on that project you mentioned last time?
Yeah, I get that. It feels like there's always something going on. Have you had time for anything fun?
Not much, but I did manage to go to a concert last weekend. It was amazing. Have you been up to anything exciting?
That sounds fun. I haven't done anything too exciting lately, but I'm planning a trip next month. Just a short getaway to the mountains.
That sounds perfect. I've been wanting to take a break too. Where are you going?
I'm heading to this small town up in the mountains. I've heard it's really peaceful, and there are some great hiking trails.
That's exactly what I need. I miss being in nature. Are you going with anyone?
Yeah, I'm going with a couple of friends. It should be a nice escape from the city.
That's awesome. I need to plan something like that soon. Anyway, how's everything else? How's work treating you?
Work's been alright, just a bit overwhelming lately. But nothing too bad. How about you? How's your job going?
Pretty much the same. Busy, but I'm managing. I'm just trying to stay on top of everything.
Yeah, I hear you. We all need a break sometimes. Let's plan something fun soon.
Definitely. Let's catch up again next week.
Sounds good. I'll text you later to figure out the details.
Perfect. Talk to you later.
Okay, see you, bye.
Subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for more.